Don't miss this 7-acre income-producing horse farm in Dawsonville, including a covered arena located near downtown Dahlonega, Ellijay, Dawsonville, tons of wineries, and the beautiful North Georgia mountains. DM me before it's gone.
Feel the sun rays running through our veins. Yesterday's blues feeling miles away. Crank up the tunes on the stereo, sending good vibes here to Tokyo. Let's roll. There's no time to wait. Let's go. Yeah, we're on our way. So here's to the good times. Here's to the good times. Soaking up the heat in the summer haze.